Hey guys, in this video, I will show you how to download Adobe Premiere Pro on Mac. All right, let's begin. First, open a web browser on your Mac. You can use Safari or any browser you prefer. In the search bar, type Adobe Premiere Pro and open the official Adobe website. Make sure you select the adobe.com result so you are downloading the software directly from Adobe. Once you are on the website, you can either start a free trial or purchase a subscription for Premiere Pro. After subscribing or signing into your Adobe account, click on your profile icon in the top right corner and select Manage Account. From there, choose View Your Apps and Services, and then select Access Your Apps and Services to view your Adobe applications. You can also click on the Apps icon in the left sidebar to open the same section more quickly. Next, locate Premiere Pro in the Apps list and click the Install button. Adobe Creative Cloud will begin downloading and installing Premiere Pro onto your Mac. Depending on your internet connection, this may take several minutes to complete. Once the installation finishes, click Open to launch Premiere Pro on your Mac. So that's basically how you can download Adobe Premiere Pro on Mac. That's it for this video. Thanks.